Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I just wanted to share a quick video with you, just, showing our outdoor decor and the lights. I just hope it, brings some happiness to you and your day, and that you just enjoy what we've done out in the front and in the back a little bit. I had plans for a lot more, but that's okay. Next year we'll be here soon enough, and we will pick it back up. But I just hope you enjoy, and I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and
Wonders of light got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you.
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will join our family here on YouTube and hit that red subscribe button and like and comment below. I would love to chat with you. So again, I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday season and that you just enjoy and make as many memories as you can. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.